Cognitive dissonance is the mental discomfort or psychological tension experienced when an individual holds conflicting beliefs, attitude, or values, or when the behaviors contradict their beliefs. This discomfort motivates individuals to reduce it by changing their beliefs, justifying their actions, or minimizing the importance of the conflict information. Halimbawa nito, maninigarilyo na alam na nakakasama ang paninigarilyo. Alam ng maninigarilyo na nakakasama sa kalusugan ang paninigarilyo, ngunit patuloy pa rin siya sa paggawa nito. Upang mabawasan ang dissonance, maaaring gumawa siya ng mga dahilan gaya ng maikli lamang ang buhay ko o masaya naman ako habang naninigarilyo ako.
Status quo bias is a common way of thinking where people prefer to keep things the way they are, even when changing could lead to better results. It happens because changing often feels uncomfortable or risky. Our brains like familiarity and routine. It feels like safer and easier. But sometimes these biases can stop us from making good decisions and growing as individuals.
Pablo refuses to change his habit even though it hasn't helped him. He sticks to it because it's familiar.
Moral credentials effect. The moral credential effect is a psychological phenomenon in which people are more likely to trust and accept the opinions of someone who has previously taken a moral stance on an issue. This effect is based on the idea that people are more likely to trust someone who has already demonstrated their commitment to a moral cause.
Credential effect, ito ay yung pinapakita sa example na ang isang tao ay gumagawa ng masama, pero sa kabila nito ay may mabuti siyang ginagawa, na akala niya ay natatabunan nito ang masamang ginagawa niya kasi ito ang nakikita ng maraming tao.